How do Canadian escrow or rental agents handle non-resident withholding? If you're a non-resident earning rental income from a Canadian property, chances are you've worked with a Canadian property manager, agent, or escrow service to handle rent collection. But what many landlords don't realize is that under Canada Revenue Agency (CRA) rules, these individuals or firms aren't just managing money, they're legally responsible for your tax withholding and remittance obligations. Let's take a closer look at how escrow and rental agents handle withholding for non-residents and what you should expect from them to stay compliant. The agent becomes your withholding representative. Under Part 1 of the Income Tax Act, the CRA requires 25% of gross rent to be withheld and remitted each month for non-resident landlords. If you have a Canadian agent such as a property manager or escrow firm, they are the party responsible for withholding 25% from the rent they collect on your behalf, remitting that amount to the CRA by the 15th of the following month, issuing you an NR4 slip at year-end showing total rent and total tax withheld. This makes them your tax representative under Canadian law, and they can be held personally liable if the taxes aren't remitted properly. NR6 form, how agents help reduce withholding. To lower your withholding, you can file an NR6 form and your agent must co-sign it. This form allows the CRA to approve withholding based on estimated net income instead of gross rent. For example, if your expected annual profit after expenses is $10,000 instead of $40,000 in rent, the CRA may reduce your withholding to $2,500 instead of $10,000. Once approved, your agent can begin withholding at the lower rate, but only after CRA approval. Filing late means you'll still have to remit the full 25% temporarily. Monthly and annual responsibilities. Your agent or escrow company must keep accurate records of rent received, tax withheld, and payments remitted. Send monthly remittances to the CRA by the 15th of the following month. File an NR4 slip and NR4 summary by March 31 each year. Provide you copies of those slips for your Section 216 return. If they fail to remit or report correctly, both you and your agent could face interest and penalties. Why the CRA prefers Canadian agents? The CRA holds Canadian-based agents accountable because they're within reach of enforcement. For landlords living abroad, the CRA has limited power to collect unpaid taxes, so requiring a Canadian intermediary ensures compliance. That's why using a local property manager or escrow service isn't just convenient, it's a safeguard. How to protect yourself? Make sure your agent has a CRA remittance account and experience with non-resident filings, provides regular statements of rent and remittances, gives you copies of every NR6, NR4, and payment confirmation, files everything on time. If something goes wrong, the CRA will come after both of you, but the right professional can help you avoid that entirely. If you require assistance with Canadian tax matters, our team is ready to provide reliable professional support. Please contact us at 416-283-8774 or visit theaccountingandtax.com for more information. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.